A very good afternoon to you, my dear students. This is your Shraddha ma'am, who is going to take the self-development and art appreciation, a graded subject for you all. Okay, in this subject is basically for your development and a little bit of art which is developed within you. Okay, so this is the cover page of your textbook, which is on the screen right now, which says self-development and art appreciation, standard 9th. I'll show you the next page, which wherein our textbooks are basically printed or governed by the MSCERT, that is the curriculum which is designed by Maharashtra State Bureau of Textbook. Let's move on towards the index. The index shows you 9 chapters or 9 lessons, which we will try to do first 4 or 5 in the first term and remaining in the second term. So here there are 9 chapters, among which the first says, that is my identity. The chapter name is my identity. Let's move on to the chapter. Okay. Can you see the heading? My identity, that is finding the superpower in myself. Now, my dear students, this is what the meaning of the chapter is, that you should actually first know yourself before knowing others, before knowing your parents and friends. Sorry, you should be knowing yourself. And this chapter is mainly focused on to find out what you are for yourself. Now, here the first thing which says that is, what is my name? Means, what is your name? Like my name is Shraddha. So what do I mean by the term or by the name given to me by the parents, that is Shraddha? What does it mean? Why the parents have given us that name to us? And why is it so important to us? Maybe my name is Shraddha, but if someone calls me by other name, it is obvious that I get angry. Why? Because we are very possessive about our names. Children, it will be same with you. Whatever your name is, if by chance someone calls you by other nickname or calls you by another name, you get very possessive and you get very angry regarding this. Okay, next is my portrait. My portrait means, my dear children, what do you feel what you are? Can you draw for yourself? I feel I am a free bird. So I will draw that I am a bird which is having wings, which are broad, which are very wide, and I love to fly. So what do you think about yourself? Can you draw about it? It may be a human being, it may be a plant, it may be an animal, it may be a non-living thing, or it may be a biotic, abiotic factors. So this will be a part of assignment, which I will write it and send the assignments to you. Let's move on to the next page. The next page says my personal experiences. Okay, now in my personal experiences, it is like that. There might be a particular situation which two of us face, but I may have a happy experience about it and you may have a bad experience about it. Or if I am happy about it, you might be sad about it. So these are called as certain kind of experiences. Okay, now you are supposed to write certain experiences in your life which has made you happy or which has made you sad, which will be a part of your assignment. Okay, maybe I am walking on a road and I see a person who is really unable to cross the road and I help that person to cross the road. That was a very happy experience for me, which made me feel very happy. But at the same time, I see a person who is being ill treated by other people on the road and I am helpless, where this situation makes me feel very sad that that person is being beaten up by other people, where I, being small, or I am not reachable to that person, I feel hurt about it. So that is a sad situation for me. So till now in your life, whatever situations have happened with you, you are going to write down 3 situations which made you feel very happy and 3 situations which have made you feel very sad or which has made you feel very angry about the situations. Next is that 4th point which says people who inspire me. Now, in everyone's life, there is someone or the other which has inspired your life. Now, In my life, if I see, my parents are there. There is my role model of certain teachers who have impressed me. There is Mr. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam who has impressed me. Okay, from whom I am inspired, and I have learned from those things, those people. So, my dear students, you are also going to write down the name of the three people, at least three people who has inspired you, from whom you love to learn, from whom you look up to, that someday I'm going to be like them. So you are going to write about the three people who have inspired you, the name of those people, and the reason behind why do you feel that they are very important, and how they have impressed or how they have inspired your life. Next page we move on to, wherein it says things that make me proud about myself. It is not only having awards or having badges. It is like, what have you done in your life and has made you, maybe a small incident in your life which has made you very, very proud, a small help to a small person which has made you feel very, very proud about yourself, where nobody was able to do, but you have done it. Maybe you have been always writing untidy in your notebook, and maybe by someone's inspiration you have written something really good, and the teacher has given you good, neat, keep it up, stars. That has made you proud about yourself. So you are also supposed to write down three incidents wherein you have felt proud about yourself. This will help you to know what you are. Okay, next we move on to page number 4. Okay, this page number 4, it is already lightly printed in your textbook. So on the screen, you can see a bit faded part about it. Your emotions, your feelings, which is the very, very important part right from your childhood till your death. Emotions are a very, very important part of everyone's life. So your emotions, your feelings are very important, and it should be taken care by other people also. And you should be also able to take care of the emotions or other people's feelings. Do not ever make fun of it. Maybe in your classroom only you'll do all those things. Okay, you make fun of the others, of their physical appearance. You make the fun of the people who are crying, but they are their emotions. They feel bad about something, you keep on teasing them. They are very happy about it, still you have a problem with them. So my dear students, it is our responsibility that if you feel that someone should take care of your emotions and your feelings, at the same time you are also supposed to take care of the feelings of those particular people. Okay, now there are certain situations which I will write to you in assignment, and you are supposed to write how did you feel in that particular situation and why did you feel so. Okay, so that will be a part of your assignment. Excuse me. Next, we move on to page number 5. There are a lot of emojis made, which is there in your WhatsApp, but these are a bit different. These are different faces, different kinds of expressions. Now, I'll read the question to you, which says, identify the emotions in the pictures given below and write them in your notebook. Also, write when you have experienced these emotions and if you have taken any extreme actions, decisions at that time. If such extreme actions, decisions have caused any harm to you. Also, think about how long you continue to experience such extreme expressions. Now, these emojis, I will click a photo, very clear photo, and send it to your naming 1, 2, 3. Now every emoji has certain expression. You have to name the expression what that emoji is for you, and that particular expression, when did you give or when did it happen with you. You have to write that incident in 2 to 3 lines. So there are almost 10 emojis wherein you are supposed to describe it very, very clearly, that how you felt at that moment when this particular expression came to you. Now there are different emotions, like you must have felt very happy, you must have felt scared, you must have felt frightened, sometimes sad, gloomy, depressed. All these emotions are of very, very importance to you. So my dear students, till in this video, that is my identity lesson. Okay, my identity, I have finished 5 pages of it. Later in the next session, I will try to finish off the later part of the chapter. I will write down the questions for you which you are supposed to answer. Make a notebook which have last year's GK notebook or any notebook, or if you have a single blank 100 pages notebook, try to make a 100 pages notebook for this particular subject, that is self development and appreciation, wherein later you will also be doing certain kind of projects and assignments on this. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you all are healthy, fit and fine at home, and take care of yourself, your family members, follow the rules and regulations given by the government. We will keep on updating you about the online classes and when the school is going to reopen. So till then, stay at home, pay attention to the online teaching given by the teachers. Okay, my dear students. So till then, stay home, stay safe. Take care.